Today we're looking at Minecraft Education Edition and how this tool can be used to support learning in your classroom. Minecraft started as a game, but it made its way into education, and right now we are fortunate enough to have an official Minecraft Education Edition. Within this game you can do whatever you want with the resources available. Students can create, they can solve problems, they can do whatever you design them to do. We've used Minecraft for science, math, language arts. This is just a couple of examples that demonstrate what students can do. If you've never seen, played, experienced Minecraft, that will not make much sense to you, but to kind of give you an idea what the students are doing, they're solving problems together, either creating a storyline or solving a math problem or doing an art project within a Minecraft world. And you as a teacher have overall control over the world. You host this world and students connect from their devices to this world, so it's a multiplayer experience, and that's what makes Minecraft so powerful. Let's now listen to a teacher and students from our school about their experience with Minecraft Education Edition.
The main goal was for them to be reinforcing their learning.
We made arrays with blocks and doing the multiplication and division problems.
Oh, it was so cool. It was so fun.
I didn't quite know that you can change arrays in different forms. They look different, but they're the exact same.
It helped me better to understand multiplication. It's like a good way to explore math and game together.
If you're interested to learn more about Minecraft Education Edition and how to bring this tool to your classroom, reach out. We will be more than happy to help you get started. Thanks for watching this edition of Tech Tuesday, and until the next time.